Welcome to Watch. Here is the market analysis brought by Macro Global Markets on June 30th. Market analysis. Geopolitical risks tend to ease, and market risk aversion falls back. The spot gold market closed again last Friday, with the lowest market price of $3,255.84 per oz, and finally closed at $3,274.96 per oz. On this trading day, after the Asian market opened in early trading, the market fluctuated upward, with the lowest intraday price of $3,247.54 per oz, and it is currently trading at around $3,291 per oz. Recent market hotspots focus on trade tariffs and geopolitical conflicts, and the future direction of the Fed's monetary policy will also affect the market direction. Gold market. At present, the hourly chart of spot gold is in a shock stage. Judging from the short-term 15-minute chart, the gold price is in a shock stage, with a shock range of $32.76 to $32.92, which can be sold at a high price and bought at a low price in operation. If the afternoon market breaks 3,292 points, you can intervene in multiple orders, and the upper target can look at 33.02 to 33.12. If the afternoon market breaks 3,276 points, you can intervene in empty orders, and the lower target can look at 32.66 to 32.56. Stop losses are all $5. Forex market. Euro to US dollar. The exchange rate of euro to US dollar is in a rising mood in hours, and the 15-minute chart is in a high shock stage. The 15-minute chart oscillates between 1.1680 and 1.1755, and the operating bank can sell at a high price and buy at a low price in this interval. If the market breaks 1.1755 points in the aftermarket, you can intervene in multiple orders, and the upper target can be seen at 1.1800 to 1.1830. If the afternoon market breaks 1.1680 points, you can intervene in the empty order, and the target below can be seen at 1.1630 to 1.1580. Stop losses are all 20 points, 0.0020. Pound sterling to US dollar. The exchange rate of pound sterling to US dollar is at a high level in the hourly chart and at a high level in the 15-minute chart, with a fluctuation range of 1.3680 to 1.3772, which can be sold at a high price and bought at a low price in operation. If the market breaks 1.3772 points in the afternoon, you can intervene in multiple orders, and the upper target can be seen at 1.3820 to 1.3860. If the afternoon market breaks 1.3680 points, you can intervene in the empty order, and the target below can be seen at 1.3630 to 1.3580. Stop losses are all 20 points, 0.0020. Australian dollar to US dollar. The exchange rate of Australian dollar to US dollar is in a shock stage in the hourly chart. The short-term 15-minute chart is in the shock stage, and the shock range is 0.6507 to 0.6565. Operationally, it can be sold at a high price and bought at a low price in this range. If the market breaks 0.6565 points in the afternoon, you can intervene in multiple orders, and the upper target can be seen at 0.6590 to 0.6620. If the afternoon market breaks 0.6507 points, you can intervene in the empty order, and the target below can be 0.6470 to 0.6430. Stop losses are all 20 points, 0.0020. US dollar to Japanese yen. The hourly chart of US dollar to Japanese yen exchange rate is in a shock stage. The short period 15-minute chart is in shock, and the shock interval is 143.75 to 144.97. If the market breaks 144.97 points in the afternoon, you can intervene in multiple orders, and the upper target can be seen at 145.40 to 145.90. If the afternoon market breaks 143.75 points, you can intervene in empty orders, and the target below can be seen at 143.30 to 142.80. Stop losses are all 20 points, 0.20.